Hey guys, Frytech here. This is a quick video how to fix AirDrop not working after Mac wakes up from sleep. Okay, so let me just show you that I'm trying to share, for example, a photo, and I'm selecting my Mac. It kind of seems like it's there, but when I press send AirDrop, it's gonna fail. And if you're experiencing the same thing, and it might sort of stay there, I'll put it on the screen, it might stay there waiting, and nothing will happen. If you're experiencing the same issue, I will tell you a solution right now. I'm just recording it essentially for you to see that I'm not cheating or anything like that, that it's actually just taking forever and it's not doing anything, and in the end it will fail, essentially, or you will just cancel it. Yeah, see, it's failed. All right, so this is the problem and here's the solution. So this problem has existed since forever with Apple. I don't know if this issue exists if you freshly install a sort of new version of macOS. I have been upgrading to a newer versions of macOS, essentially from, I don't know, all the way back to, I don't know, like High Sierra probably or something like that. So there's probably a lot of like some junk code or whatever. Maybe that's why it's happening. But again, if you are like this, like me, if you're having this problem, here is what you do. This is not like a one-time solution. You need to do it every time, basically, when your Mac wakes up. You go and open Activity Monitor, and then in the search bar, you type blue, and there's gonna be Bluetooth D, Bluetooth daemon, Bluetooth, and IO user Bluetooth serial device driver. I'm not sure which of them actually is responsible for this. Maybe you will see just like one or two, and then you will know that this is what you need to do. Essentially, I do it like that. Select all, press X, and force quit all of these processes. I think what causes the problem is Bluetooth daemon, Bluetooth D. Essentially, like the solution otherwise is to reboot your computer, which is obviously annoying and not ideal. And even if you turn on and off Bluetooth, it doesn't really work all the time. So you actually need to go into Activity Monitor and actually kill the process. As you can see, the processes have restarted automatically, even though I killed them, I forced quit them. They restarted automatically. And now let's do one more time. I'm selecting my MacBook, I'm sending the same message, the same file, my lovely cat, and now, boom, it's done. Easy. So yeah, essentially this is how you do it. I've reported this problem to Apple. I'm sure other people report it. I will actually include a couple feedback links so you can also report this problem. If you can sort of attach some kind of a image or a video, that's gonna be great. The more people watch this video and the more people actually go and click the link and report it to Apple, the higher the chances that this bug that's been present for at least 5 years, probably even like a decade already, will be finally at some point fixed. Once again, I'm not sure. I'm using macOS Monterey 12.7, whatever, the latest one. Monterey, which is like quite old operating system at this point. At some point, I will probably try to like Hackintosh myself into like a new Sequoia or whatever, and we'll see if the bug is still present. Sometimes when you just close the lid and then open it within like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it actually still works. So I feel like there's some kind of a timing issue when you close the lid and then, I don't know, like a couple hours pass by, like you open the lid and then it doesn't work. I don't know really, like I haven't nailed down the conditions, but the fix is there. You go into Activity Monitor. Essentially my Activity Monitor is on this mode right now that you'll see on the screen. It just shows me like blue by default, and I'm just pressing the button. I'm just like, it's just running sort of in the background all the time. I wake up computer, I come here, I delete all of this, I quit, force quit them, and they restart automatically. Nothing really breaks, nothing changes, and then you have working Bluetooth again. So I hope this helps. If it does, please subscribe to Frytech channel and share this video with more people who might appreciate this kind of stuff. If you can, post it to Reddit. I would highly appreciate that, because it's kind of a source of traffic as well. And you cannot post yourself your own stuff, because of course it's Reddit. You can steal stuff forever without any repercussions, but post your own stuff? No, you can be banned for this. Fuck that website. Don't post anything there, fuck them. But thank you very much for watching. I highly appreciate this. I hope this video helped you. And yeah, subscribe to Frytech channel. By the way, one thing I might add, if this video was helpful and you feel like it was so helpful that you can like throw $5 or $10, I will include link in the description as well, because I'm not monetized on YouTube because YouTube has implemented that 4,000 watch hours, which is insanely fucking high amount of watch hour views. So yeah, if you can throw $5 or whatever, I would highly appreciate it. Link will be in the description. Once again, only if this video was helpful and yeah, you think it's worth it. Otherwise, thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Okay,